Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make a garlic buttered pasta. It's very simple. So no curry, no stew, anything. It's good for dinner. So as you get home, just take about 15 minutes to make, or maybe less. And I have all the ingredients here, and I'll show you how easy it is. I got the pasta here. You can use any one. This is the one I chose, but anything like this you can use. I also have a little bit of parsley chopped up, and of course the difference is the bandania. I put bandania in everything. This is the garlic butter I'm going to use, but if you don't have garlic butter, you can use ordinary butter and just grate the garlic in it, or chip it up, or get it coarse. Find somehow you put it in the pasteurizer and mix up everything with the butter. I also have the Parmesan cheese here I'm going to use, some black pepper, and for dinner we're going to do some peri-peri chicken. There's a special ingredients in there that we're going to barbecue this, so you can have this with the pasta. Okay, so I'm going to get started. But first of all, I'd like to shout out to a couple people here. I'd like to say big shout out goes on to Nalini Maharaj, Ravi, and Sally Bastille. What I'm going to do is just get the pasta boiling while I make the sauce, and then I can mix the two ingredients together. So this the water is hotting there. So this is on low heat. Get the butter ready here. The butter is already seasoned, garlic, parsley, basil, and all those things. You can use this whole butter or piece, but we don't need this too often, so it's good. Turn them until it melts. It's a little low. Parmesan cheese ready, and this has to be in the lowest heat. Okay, just melt nicely. Get a beautiful smell there already. Stays boiling, so you can leave this in low heat, let it cook. Throw the bandania in. Let that cook there. Meanwhile, I'll throw the pasta in. Get that boil there. Birthday greetings go out to Joshua, Dylan, and Shaylin, coming from Crystal Ramnarayan, and Ryan, Laura, Auntie Martha, Marlene, and Lynch. So you see everything is in there, melt up nicely. Just to put some cheese in now. Parmesan cheese. You can use any cheese if you want to. Mix up, that will melt up in there. Gotta put some black pepper in now. Okay, throw the parsley in. The butter is not salted, so you can throw a little bit of salt as well. You could throw as you go along and taste, you know. Use a little bit again. Okay, so big up goes to again to Pamela Joku, Michael Mahavir, Rodney Maharaj, and Rashid Mohammed. Big up to you guys. So the pasta is done, and you add them in there now. Okay, get in there. Turn this around. Add the other cheese in. Let that cook. Get the juices all around nicely. Oh, look how beautiful this is. All the cheese in there. And nothing better than more cheese. Wow. Check this out. Okay, that's it. You can add anything you want, any kind of seasoning you want. Thyme, mint, anything. Okay, I'll take a little taste. Great.
So Chris is just gonna throw the peri peri chicken on. We'll do a recipe on this soon.
So now that pasta is finished, I have it here. But the chicken is also finished, and this is you can grill this chicken in the grill for like about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, and you can have it with this. You can have it also with some salad and watermelon, orange, anything. So I'm gonna taste it now and see how this goes. This is a fast dish. 15 minutes and it's done. While everything is cooking, you can cook it all at once. It's great together with the chicken. Wonderful. And of course you need the pepper sauce. I like to say hi to my family down in South Trinidad, Tableland. Hi to Saraji, Savi, Suku and family, and Bobby and family. Hope you guys are doing well and stay safe. Argentina is playing Saturday for the final against Brazil. Go Argentina, go. Did Brazil win? Still South America. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.